Hi sir, this is my report in application graphics. So first is gaming. A gaming is one of the predominant application of 3D graphics lies in the realm of video games where they are instrumental in crafting immersive environment, lifelike characteristic, and captivating special effects. Dahil sa pamamagitan ng 3D mas nakakagawa ang mga developer immersive sa mundo. Dahil sa 3D graphics naging mas mabuhay ito dahil dito sa 3D graphics mas naiengganyo ang mga manlalaro. The movies and animation. The reel of movie and animation often relies heavily on 3D graphics, which are prevalent in animated films, visual effects for live-action movie, and computer-generated imagery sequences. So, ginagamit ito ng mga animated films, mga visual effects para sa mga paggawa ng pelikula, or live action at iba pa. Sa tulong ng 3D graphics, mas nakakagawa ang mga animator or lumikha ng mga pelikula sa mundo. Next po is virtual reality and augmented reality. So, graphics are initial for creating immersive virtual environments and augmenting the real world with digital elements. So, ang virtual reality and augmented reality is sa pamamagitan ng 3D graphics ay nakakagawa ang mga developer ng immersive visual or nakakagawa din sila ng movie, nakakapag-digital din po sila gamit lang po ang 3D graphics. Next po is the architecture and design. Architecture and designer use 3D graphics to visualize and present their designer, allowing clients to see realistic representation of building, interiors, and product. So, mahalaga ang 3D graphics sa architecture design dahil ginagamit ito ng mga architect at designer para malumikha sila ng mga magagandang design or makagawa sila ng mga magagandang design. The next po is simulation and training. The simulation and training industries such as aviation, military, and healthcare use 3D graphics for simulation and training purposes, allowing trainers to practice in realistic virtual environment. The next po is medical visualization. 3D graphics are used to visualize complex medical data such as MRI and CT scans, aiding in diagnosis, surgical planning, and medical education. Geometry. The geometry is at the core of graphics, defining the shape, position, and orientation of object in a virtual environment. Concepts such as points, lines, curves, surfaces, and translation, rotation, scaling are all described using mathematical equation and matrices. So, ang geometric po ay mahalaga ang geometry ng ang pag-translate, pag-rotate at pag-sharing para sa bagay bagay ng geometry ay nagbibigay ng nagbibigay sila ng magandang design ng mga visual at mga elements sa digital visual at mga elements sa digital. The next po is trigonometry. A trigonometry function such as sine and cosine are extensively used in graphics for calculating angles, rotation, and projector. They are essential for transforming coordinates and determining the position and orientation of object in the three-dimensional space. So, ang trigonometry isang mahalaga sa math na ginagamit sa graphics para mas maliwanag at maipakita at maiprocess ang special na sa pamamagitan ng elements sa isang skin. The next post is linear algebra. Linear algebra is crucial for representing and manipulating vectors, matrices, and transformation in graphics. Matrices are used to perform transformation like translate, rotation, scaling, and projection efficiently. Sa pamamagitan ng linear algebra tulad ng vector at matrices, ang linear algebra ay nagbibigay daan din sa pagkuha ng magandang picture, ang pag-rotate, pag-scale at pag-translate ng bagay, pati na din ang mga pagkuha ng maganda at mas maliwanag na skin. Analytical geometric deals with the representation of geometric shape and their properties using algebra equation. It is employed in graphics for tasks such as defining curves and surfaces.